Hello everybody, mi piace la cucina italiana, è molto buona. Today we have for you a creamy gnocchi sausage. And it's all in one pot. It's going to be great, it's going to be delicious, and we're going to love it. Facciamo. I hope I said that right. I think that means let's do this. First of all, let's start this up. And I'm going to try not to just have it super hot, because last time this thing was just a fest of noise. So let's just leave it there for a second. Heat it up for a minute. And then we are going to add sausage and onions, okay? The sausage, this is Italian sausage. And actually, I took it out of the casing. Make sure that when you're frying it, you just really make it like ground beef, you know, very small. And of course, one medium onion. It was chopped here, and I think this was probably a pound, just a little bit over a pound of sausage. So that's how we're going to start. So let's just begin with just the sausage. Let's just do that. Let's put it in, right? Okay, and because it has not heated up so much, let's go a little bit farther with that. And we're going to add our onions as well. One medium onion. In it goes. And we are going to fry this for probably 5 minutes, 6 minutes, something around there, okay? All right, and we are cooking this at medium high. Ensure that we try to tear that sausage down into little pieces and cook it well, okay? And after you don't see any more pink, that's when the sausage should be cooked already. It's not cooked just yet, so you still have some pink in there. So I keep doing this until it's time to drain the fat out of the sauce. Okay. So guys, I already drained the fat out. We don't want all of that fat on our recipe. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to make a little hole right here, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and I am also going to add 3 big cloves of garlic. Hopefully it will get out. If not, I'm going to have to use something else. Well, let's use this. Come on out. There you are. And we are going to cook that for about 1 minute and incorporate it to the rest of these ingredients here. All right, I wish you could smell it, because it's smelling just delicious just about now. We are going to gradually add our beef stock, and it's going to be 2 cups of beef stock, okay? And let's just go slow here. And let's mix it. I'm getting hungry right about now. All right. Now that is all in, and we are going to bring or incorporate our gnocchi. Actually, I got this gnocchi from, it's actually from Tuscany, and is a product of Italy. And it's cauliflower gnocchi. Now, I have other that doesn't necessarily have to be cauliflower, but this is healthier for you. I think this is a great alternative. But if you choose to use something else, totally fine, okay? All right, so let's bring this in. Look how pretty. And we're going to put like, I did a whole package and a half, and this has 1 pound. So 1.5 pounds of gnocchi in. So we are going to just bring that in here, and we're just going to put it on medium low for a little bit, because we really need the gnocchi to cook, okay? So just move it around, separate it, And it's going to be cooked for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. I will go more 8 minutes. I like things really soft, but it just all depends on your palate and how you like your gnocchi cooked. And we'll be right back. Okay, now that we have it simmering, we are going to also add 1 can of tomato sauce. Thickening up. Okay, and I put it on low now because my stove just get a little bit hotter than probably other stoves. But anyway, now we're going to add, these are 4 cups of spinach, okay? So we're gonna toss it all in, and we are going to wait 1 or 2 minutes until the spinach is wilted. I'm just gonna mix it in real quick because I have another ingredient we need to put in here, okay? And it seems like a lot of spinach, but you all know that spinach does wilt and just disappears. He's already doing that. So I am going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. All in. I am also a fan of basil, fresh basil. So I cut like 4 big leaves of basil because it's a great aromatic, and it also has that little sweetness and adds flavor to your recipe. So we're gonna wait here for at least 1 more minute. That's it. A 1/4 cup of farm cheese. Fresh is better. We're going to add just a little bit of freshly ground pepper. And I'm just gonna add just a tiny bit of kosher salt. And I'm going to taste for flavor to make sure that I have put enough salt, if I need to add a little bit more or not. Use your judgment because you know how salty or what is your taste buds going to tell you. If it tells too much salt, it's better to add salt than there's no way you can take it out. So let's just be very mindful of just adding a little bit until your taste bud says perfect. Guys, it's already done. I am going to serve Mr. Cameraman because he's impatient and wants to eat right away. Little bit of parm on top. Not too much, not too little. Here you go. How do you like that? I'm gonna just do exactly like the Italians do. Molto buono. And here you go. I hope you like this recipe as much as we do. We will see you next Saturday at Lady Fire's Kitchen right after Flat Cap around 10:30 or so. Don't miss it.